Right from a childhood up north, we in our school books are always reading a four-page story about these four Sahibzades, about their valor, their courage, and the principles they had, and they never went deviated from the principles that they held on to. And this story always stays with almost everyone up north because that's told to you when you're a school child or from your grandmother or your grandparents. And this is when I wanted to make a film, something on the history of Northern India, that I approached the SGPC in Amritsar. And hence, when the permission came, I thought, let me put this film on, the story in film, which then I thought कि ये सिर्फ कुछ 45 मिनट की कहानी हो जाएगी, बहुत खींचूंगा, 4 सफ़ों में पड़ी है, लेकिन हमें पौने 3 घंटे की फिल्म को 2 घंटे में लाना पड़ा, इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन थी इसके बारे में.
और ये एक फीचर फिल्म भी बन सकता था, लेकिन आपने ये एनिमेटेड मूवी बनाया है.
इसलिए क्योंकि as per the rules of the SGPC, the controlling religious body of the Sikhs, that is Shiromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee, they have been a part and parcel of the consultations, and no wonder you see the first title that it's with their blessings. They do not permit any gurus of our religion or any first family of the gurus to be portrayed by any live actors. So hence the only choice I had, if I had to bring this story to the world, was to have an animated film.
Oh, lovely. And producer in the movie.
Well, firstly, I just want to welcome everyone. Thank you everyone for being here. Thank you all of you for coming and helping us in this venture. A story that is, I think, very close to, obviously, my heart, probably rather much closer to Dad's heart than my heart. I'm a Bombay boy, he's a North Indian boy. So he's probably grown up with this. I think one of the key things for this film that actually worked was, was us sitting on a dining table and actually talking about Char Sahibzade as one of the many stories that you grow up with, which your parents tell you. And there's only that much information that I had. It's only when Dad started actually, looking into this film and researching this film and finding out more and more about it. By the end of it, if you actually walk into his office, he's probably got close to 30 odd books on Sikhism. There is no historian he's not met, traveled to different parts of Punjab, met pretty much everyone there, just to get the real stories out. I mean, at the end of the day, this is history. This is something that happened, 300 odd years ago. So it's pretty much everything's based on facts, and I think for me it was pretty much being with him through this journey, even though, it's animation and we sort of crossing our fingers and hope, that it gets widely accepted. Obviously he took up the challenge of making it 3D, which I'd like to thank Prasad from iRealities, who's been a very, very strong support system in this. And together, I think, they've done everything they could.
Yeah.
So, what kind of research has gone into it, since it is an epic movie, it's historical?
Actually, there are so many incidents that have happened up north, and so every historical evidence is there what happened where. Primarily because it was those very disturbing days of the in the 17th century, a lot of war zone of a lot of upheavals in wars, battles. So mostly the evidence of the forts and everything has been destroyed. But there are very few evidences. When you see the film, we probably in the end of the film show you that picture of what I showed you is a replica of the exact thing that is there in Punjab today. So there's a lot of evidence of history that is right there, and it's all that within about the 20, 30 mile sort of radius area. So I have made sure that any and everything that possibly is there. So I went there, clicked the pictures, went to my animation studio with Mr. Prasad and his team, told them this is the tree where Guru Gobind Singh laid at night and rested. That tree is still there, there's a Gurdwara there, so we created the same tree, same bark, same leaves, everything same, and replicated in the film. Even the shot you saw Guru Gobind Singh with the arm and the arrow and the armor that he wore, is still with some Sikh people who probably took it from the Guru, and they still have it with them. And I have made the replica of the same thing that Guru Sahib wears in the film. So his arrows, which always had a gold strip on, it's always a gold strip on the in the edge of it, so that if the person who is hit, probably his family has a support of that little gold piece there to carry on the treatment or whatever support life. So all that philosophy was there. So those things are still there. So we absolutely copied those and made sure that they're the replica of the original.
Wow, seems like it's a lot of research has gone
Oh,
down
yes.
there. Okay, so we'll take questions from
The producer, without whom I could have not completed the film, and then later Prasad, well, I couldn't have done this animation without him. So Pammi Beja to be here to say a few words.
And being a part of this venture, which my husband has been so passionately working on for the last 3.5 years. Of course, we all have been supporting him. We live in the same house, but I haven't seen him for the last 3 years. It's almost to that level that he's working on the sofa and I'm sleeping on the bed. That's how it's been these last 3 years. But it's been such a wonderful journey to tell this story about these kids who actually are the pure lights who came on this earth to give us the freedom of speech, freedom to be who we really are, freedom to be conscious of the fact that whichever way we want to connect with the source, with God, what we call here, we have the freedom to do it. These little kids who were just 18, 14, 5 and 7 actually fought for that. For all of us who are sitting here, have the freedom to do and believe in what we want to believe. And nobody enforcing us to do what we should not be doing. So I'm really in a lot of gratitude because I was sitting in Sarhand when I did the Akhand Path there, and the wall was just next to my Gurdwara. The kind of gratitude I had for these little kids at that point of time, I cannot even say about it. It was so amazing. It was so beautiful. So there's a lot of gratitude to these kids for letting us be here. Thank you.
She's talking about the wall in which they were actually all alive, that part of the wall which actually fell down, but about 1.5, 2 feet was still there, and that wall is still there. There's a Gurdwara there. So before we started the campaign of the publicity of the film, we did a Akhand Path there, and then started the process of the campaign of the publicity. Here, to Prasad, the person without which you would have just seen a blank screen.
Yeah, thanks, sir. I think we are blessed to get this kind of project. It's extremely challenging to keep the religious sentiments as well as the realism. It should not be cartoony anywhere, so you have to be very serious. It's a tough task. He's a tough taskmaster. I'm sure my team will have a celebration tomorrow.
Because I won't be there now.
It's over. 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, you just have a call for something. So it's a wonderful experience. I'm sure we'll have something for an animation industry also in India after this film.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's very important for us because we have been seeing Hollywood animations and somewhere we have tried to go close. I don't know. I think all of you are going to be the judge of how it goes, but
Yeah, if Tintin, I'll just butt in, Tintin was made in about $300 million. This film is not even 0.07% of that cost. Not even 1%, less than 1%.
you are bringing my equity down.
And we've tried to match a quality which is far better. I mean, not as better, but very, very, somewhere there much to the percentage of the investment that we done. Yeah, that was one. And I would have wanted the actors who played the film to be here present before you. But to honestly tell you, they are omnipresent and they are here right with us now here. And without their blessings, this film could have never been made. Thank you very much, all of you. Your questions.
So we'll go ahead with the press questions.
Now that totally depends because I'm not allowed to. If you see this film in which you saw the shot of the gurus, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, he was not animated. He was just still. So I do not have permission to animate the gurus. I have shown in the film my guru, but only in still form. Now there is a lot of huge public opinion which is saying that why can't we do that? I think that's a call the Shiromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee has to take, and only then will I be able to do that if they allow me. But I would love to. Yeah.
What made you opt for making an animation film when feature films in Punjabi are creating record business?
As I said, that I think the whole process is about payback. I think it was time that I did something for, I probably grew up on, and it was time to being a filmmaker. I thought the best way to do is make a film. And that's how it all came to me.
हेलो मेरा सवाल हरमन से यहाँ पे जी सबसे पहले ये पूछना चाहेंगे कि जब 4 साहिबजादे के बारे में आपके पिता ने आपको बताया तो आपका रिएक्शन क्या था?
To tell you honestly, my reaction wasn't that great because firstly it's animation, secondly he's tackling something which is a very very difficult subject, and I knew there would be a long process to get various different permissions and lots of due diligence to be done for this film to be made. But then that's pretty much why he's a father and I'm a son. and why I look up to him, because he takes up the challenge head on. And it's pretty much 3.5 years hence we are standing here, and from whatever I can see, I feel very, very proud, and probably take cue from him and take it on from here and take life head on.
Actually, it's the first film ever in the history of Indian cinema to be made on Sikh history with the Guru's children. No film has ever been made till now on a subject like this.
Harry,
Yeah, Panu.
will you dub?
हैरी बाबे से मेरा सवाल है। जाकिर सिसोदिया फरोम मकराना मैगजीन, ये फिल्म बनाते वक्त आपके लिए सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या था?
हिस्ट्री को पूरा बरकरार रखना और किसी भी इस फिल्म के ज़रिए किसी को भी कोई दुख ना पहुंचाना या हर्ट ना करना, ताकि हर चीज़ उतनी करेक्ट हो जो कि हिस्टोरिकली करेक्ट थी। बहुत मुश्किल था ये काम, हर लफ्ज़ में कुछ ना कुछ मतलब गलत निकल जाता है, और एक बहुत लंबा और मुश्किल सफ़र था, तय किया।
हरमन सर, मोदी जी कल कश्मीर में दीपावली मनाने वाले, तो उस पर आपका क्या कहना है?
हाँ जी।
Any financial contribution from SGPC?
No, not a penny. Not a penny. No, no. In fact, I think they made a statement that something which we should have been doing is what Mr. Baweja is doing for us. Nothing at all. No, 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 no.
question I would like to ask. Our Prime Minister Modi is going to celebrate Diwali at Jammu Kashmir. तो इसके बारे में मतलब ये initiative आपको कैसा लगता है? आप दोनों से मेरा सवाल है।
बहुत अच्छा है कि अगर कहीं किसी भी जगह पे कुछ ऐसा दुख पहुंचा है, उन लोगों को वो बात देना कि हम भी आपके साथ हैं, इससे बेहतर और क्या हो सकता है?
Absolutely the same thing. I mean, I think we're very, very proud of him and for everything that he's done so far. And I hope he can uplift the sentiment and, you know, the courage of people in Kashmir to deal with what they're dealing with.
Hi, Harry sir.
Yeah.
Priyanka. Over here. Yeah, first of all, congrats. The animation are rigged so properly. Your characters are rigged so properly. I just wanted to know about the animation team. How many team were involved during the animation process?
I'll tell you the right answer the right way. Okay, take on.
Almost 200 people overall in the last 2 years. So it's right from pre-production to the last shot. So it goes through various processes.
He's still at it. We've still got some shots coming, yeah.
Yeah. So around 200 odd people for 2 years. That's the whole effort.
यहाँ पे दो सवाल, हरमन और हैरी जी, मेरे दो सवाल हैं बेसिकली आप दोनों से। सबसे पहले तो आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, हर एक फिल्म को प्रमोशन की ज़रूरत पड़ती है आज के ज़माने में, तो इस फिल्म की प्रमोशनल स्ट्रैटेजी आप किस तरह से आगे कंटिन्यू करने वाले हैं?
अगर आप पीछे थोड़ा मुड़ के देखेंगे तो हमारे दोस्त शिल्पा और तब्बू और विपाशा और राजकुंद्रा और जय और बहुत सारे दोस्त यहाँ आए हैं, बैठे हैं। इन्हीं की मदद और इनकी विशेष के साथ ही हम इस फिल्म को प्रमोट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि मैं एनिमेटेड कैरेक्टर को साथ लेके तो नहीं आ सकता।
जी, आपने सही कहा। हरमन, पूरी फैमिली यहाँ पर है लेकिन कुछ इनकम्प्लीट लग रहा है।
जी, मेरी बहन यहाँ नहीं है।
जी, और भी कुछ।
वो डीओपी हैं और इस टाइम पिक्चर की ग्रेडिंग चल रही है, इसलिए वो वहाँ पे हैं।
उसके अलावा
जितना तक मुझे पता है मेरी सिर्फ एक ही बहन है। So I'm hoping this is my family.
लेकिन हरमन, यहाँ पे हाल ही में एक खबर आई थी, उसके बारे में आपसे एक रिएक्शन आपका जानना चाहूँगा। हाल ही में एक खबर आई थी कि सवाल सुन लीजिए।
अगर चार साहिबजादे के बारे नहीं है तो हम बाहर बात करते हैं।
नहीं,
आपको अपना नंबर दे देता हूँ, नंबर देता हूँ, फोन पे बात कर लेंगे।
बाहर तो जरूर करेंगे, लेकिन हरमन, हाल ही में एक खबर आई थी दैट नथिंग इज वेल बिटवीन यू एंड बिपाशा। हाल ही में बिपाशा तो है, बहरहाल यहाँ पर है बिपाशा, लेकिन यहाँ पर है वो।
Very soon there'll be nothing well between you and me.
हाँ जी।
Parul, just give me his number here, please. And his address.
हैरी जी, एक सवाल है
जी
सर। ये सर, बहुत सारी फिल्में अभी तक एनिमेटेड आ चुकी हैं
जी,
माइथोलॉजिक भी वैसी भी
जी,
लेकिन अभी तक हमारे दर्शकों को आदत नहीं पड़ पा रही है एनिमेशन फिल्म्स की। तो ऐसा क्या है, क्यों नहीं, मतलब बाहर की विदेशी फिल्में देखते हैं और यहाँ की एनिमेशन फिल्म नहीं रुचि रखते, क्या रीजन है उसका?
दो कारण हो सकते हैं जी। एक क्वालिटी हो सकता है, हमने कोशिश की एक अच्छी क्वालिटी बनाने की। दूसरी चीज़ है रेपिटेटिवनेस। अगर आप अभी सवाल पूछूं कि 10 फिल्में एनिमेटेड हैं, उनमें से 9 या तो रामायण और महाभारत पे हैं, उसके अलावा किसी सब्जेक्ट पे नहीं है, जो कि टीवी पे भी रात को आती है, लाइव भी आती है, पिक्चर भी आती है, मुफ्त देखने को मिलती है, फिर मैं थिएटर भी क्यों जाऊँगा? तो कोई सब्जेक्ट को नया दौर नहीं दिया, एक नया रंग नहीं दिया, एक नया एंगल नहीं दिया, कोई नई चीज़ नहीं दिखाई, वही दिखाई जो हम बार बार देख रहे हैं. So I think that has been actually the absolute problem why the animation industry didn't grow from a point, because repetitiveness came in. Every time the same story was being retold. And you can't watch the same thing again and again.
आपको लगता है कि ये एक धर्म से जुड़ी हुई कथा है, तो डेफिनेटली एनिमेशन भी इसको उतनी ही श्रद्धा से, उतने ही चाव से देखेंगे.
मैं कहूँगा कि ये एक बहुत ही ड्रामेटिक, एक बहुत ही करेज वाली कहानी है इन चार साहबजादों की, जो कि एक कहानी, इस पिक्चर में कोई रिलीजन नहीं है, एक कहानी, एक ट्रेजेडी है इन चार बच्चों की, और जिसमें उन्होंने अपना वैल्यूर और करेज दिखाया एंड दे स्टक टू देयर प्रिंसिपल्स. ये एक ड्रामेटिक कहानी है. इसके साथ रिलीजन का कोई लेन देन नहीं, सिर्फ इतना जरूर है कि वो गुरु साहब के बेटे थे. सो इट्स अ स्टोरी टेलिंग, इट्स नॉट एनी प्रीचिंग और एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट काइंड एट ऑल.
Hi, Harry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. You know, it's usually seen that a lot of these historical or period films have faced trouble because, you know, they do not often picture the right connotation of history that people want to see. For example, Jodha Akbar ran into trouble for similar reasons. So, are you expecting something similar from this film as well? Because, you know, people have objections to all sort of films these days.
As far as I know, I have stuck to history, and there's a huge committee standing on my head called SGPC that even if I pronounce a word and not word, they kill me. I was in Amritsar yesterday doing the same thing. Even a the and ka was wrong, so I had to recorrect it. That's how careful they are. That's about the language, the word, the diction. Talking about facts. We've stuck to history, recorded history as it is. So I made sure, that's why it took me that long 3.5 years to do this.
When the SGPs is watching the film,
Done and watched it, it's all and over.
and what was their reaction?
As good as you thought today. All right, that be it? All right, thank you very much for all of you coming. Thanks for encouragement. Yep. Please, can I have my guests here? Siddharth, come please.
Would like to thank the media and everyone to make their presence felt here. Ladies and gentlemen, this event was managed by Slash Productions.